Okay guys, so on this 2013 Volkswagen CC series, I notice I'm getting a loud whistling sound. So when I check, I notice the PCV valve system giving some trouble. It's sucking a lot of air. So when I scan it, I get all these codes. So you can see right there, get all these codes from it. I'm going to show you what they call the PCV valve. So this right here called the PCV valve. So this is what giving trouble. So it's sucking a lot of air right here, making a loud whistling sound. So what it do, make the car idle rough and keep the rev count up and down, idle up and down. So I'm going to get this and replace it, and the trouble is over with it. So if I find this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.